aluminium extrusion offers many advantages for EV applications. Profiles can be given almost any desired shape, enabling you to create a recognizable product with distinctive capacity. All kinds of functionalities can be applied inside the extrusion profile. They can contribute to reducing the number of parts in your product, making your products faster to assemble, and may prevent post-processing such as milling or welding. The material aluminium is cost-effective, strong, and durable. It's ideally suited for outdoor applications and can withstand all weather conditions. To protect the material even better and give the product a different look, you can choose to anodize or powder coat the profile. At the end of its service life, an aluminium charge post is perfectly recyclable, therefore fully circular. Hydro Extrusions build businesses and partnerships for a more sustainable future. Learn more about our EV applications at hydro.com.